Know you've been a good friend, and that's through the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Somebody actually put a picnic table all the way out here, which is kind of neat, but lunch on the water. I put Danny in the camper. The sun is really hot if you're in it long enough. I mean, I burnt my leg because something was sitting in the sun, and when it touched my leg, it burnt it. Little burns. I don't think it left marks, but let's see. Watch out for snakes. Kind of cool. Come out here and see the water. They say the windsurfers come out here on this water, but actually it's at the Rufus Landing. I was trying to find the place. It was Rufus Landing. It would have been way back past where I was already at. I didn't want to go all the way back there. I'd already been there. We backtracked in. Okay, so how many people had a pee after here in that water? So there's a little lighthouse over there. Like a mini lighthouse. There's a little peninsula of land that sticks out there, and I guess it just wants the boats to know not to hit it. The breeze is beautiful. Look at the view. I'm on the Oregon side of the Columbia River. The other side over there, I'm showing you right now, that is the Washington side. And there's trains on both sides. And I just talked to the ranger, and she told me, her name's Naomi, she told me that no matter where you go along the Columbia, in Oregon, in the Dells, you will hear trains. They all have train tracks. No escaping it. Pretty cool. Here we are. There is Shooting Star and Full Tiny House. And then there's a van parked next to us. Campers, it look like they've been here like forever. In fact, she just stopped at the one now. There's no vehicle with it, it's just a camper, just parked. And she says they try to shoo people out, you know, but after the 14 days, but sometimes they don't catch everybody. That's like I say. Did you ever go fishing? Did you ever catch all the fish? What kind of berries these are? I don't think they're real blueberries, but they could be, but I wouldn't take anything on them because if I ask Dana, she'll probably know. Be safe, think. Wear it. The life jacket, that is. Pretty cool. Beautiful. So I wonder what he's gonna fish for. Morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, June 2nd. Oh, it's July 2nd. But I'm at the state park here in Oregon, and I'll put the name up. It starts with an M. It's actually right next to the rest stop that I was going to park at, but the rest stop was jam-packed full last night. And I separated from the group because I have this fear of bridges, which everybody that usually most of my viewers know about. And I just couldn't go back over the bridge onto the Washington side again. It was a metal bridge, and I didn't like the way it looked, and I didn't want to backtrack another 50 miles just to cross over. So I kept going on, and we're going to meet up sometime today. There's my camper up there, right there. I decided to get full hookup, which was a little pricey. It was $31, but water only would have been $19. But I really needed the power. I really wanted to hook my rig up to shore power so that I could get my battery a really good charge. I think that there's something in there that's really draining it, so it's not staying charged for more than a day, my two batteries. So I'm thinking that it's the either the carbon monoxide detector or the radio light. I know people say that can't drain it. Well, it did on my last trailer. And once I disconnected those, I was fine with the two batteries. I could go for 3 days and it wouldn't even go to halfway. So that being said, I just wanted to give you a look. I'm on my way to the showers, and then I'm going to meet up with some of the rest of the group. And we're going to go on, and I'm going to look at some waterfalls on the Oregon side. I'm on the Oregon side and of the Columbia River. This is what I thought was really cool. Look at this. This state park has a theater area, so that would have been perfect for like me because I have a projector. We could have sat there and had a movie movie night if I was parked in one of the spots there close to the theater, which there are plenty. There was one in the back, like right there. There's a spot where my finger is that you could park, probably with I think it has full hookup over there. And then down over there, there's another spot there that I was actually going to try to back up and get into, but I was just so tired. I just went ahead and pulled up where I'm at. And this is a nice area. There's a lot of tents in this section in the middle. There's tent sites, which are $19. That includes water only. But if you have a small rig, you can fit into a lot of those tent sites. And but I'm gonna check out the showers, nice showers, and there is also a dump station that you can go to dump your tanks and not even stay here, which is nice. So you can come here, you can dump your tanks for a small fee, I believe, and then you can also shower for a small fee on day use. And parking an extra car is $7, they said. That's how it's been at most of them. But the further you go in Oregon, it seems like the more expensive the campgrounds get. But it's a nice state campgrounds, and everybody is really nice. The rangers were real nice. Both of them female rangers, park rangers. And so I'm going to go ahead. Danny's in the rig. I had cooked up some meat that thawed because my power went off. And so one side it looks like is the bathroom, and the other side is the showers, because they separate them, I guess. We'll see. Check out these showers here. And this is the name of the park. Memaloose State Park. There it is. Memaloose State Park. Yeah, that saved me editing. And there's nobody in here, so, oh wow, look at these, how clean they are. Beautiful showers. Wow, with a little stool in there and everything. That's nice. Showers. The bath toilets are on the other side. And I'm not gonna sing. And I'm not gonna say, join me, shall you? No, I'm going in by myself. Be back. Hi everybody. I'm trying to find the waterfalls to go look at the waterfalls. And these exits are a little crazy. And then I was looking for a gas station, so I thought I'll go to the gas station first, and then I'll go park and wait for some of the other people that I was going to meet up with and that are on their way towards my location. But I think they're a little bit behind me, so my hair is sticking up. Oh, so anyway, while I was looking for a gas station, I thought, well, I'm just going to get off at this exit here. I'll get off at the exit, and I get off the exit, and it's just really like a big parking lot for people to go see the falls. The one that starts with the M. I'll have to put it up there. Maloof or something like that. Anyway, so there's like these big parking spaces for like motorhomes and RVs, but not for people with trailers, because trailers, just don't pull into a parking space. But it just so happened that the corner spot was empty, and I was able to back in on an angle, and I'm parked, and my front window of my car is actually looking right at the falls, and it starts raining. So I can see the waterfalls without even getting out of my car. It's pretty awesome, and I'm going to share it with you here on the mountainside of Interstate 84 in Oregon. I think I'm still in Oregon. I don't think I'm in Washington yet. Yeah, it's still Oregon. So it's a historical area here. The mountains are beautiful, and I don't even have to go up it. And I saw a sign that said something about shuttles. So I'm kind of guessing that maybe there's a shuttle that will take you to see the falls closer. But you know what? I don't really want to go up the mountain. I'm pretty close it looks pretty good right where I'm at. And I'm going to share it with you. Hold on while I turn my camera around. You. She's looking at all the traffic and all the people. She's paying attention to everybody else but the camera when I want to get her picture.